Welcome to our Linux tutorial. Today we will explore different methods of installing and removing packages in Ubuntu. Basically, after installing the Linux for the first time, we may have to install so many packages to run Linux, like your favorite browser or music app or any other application. Understand this different method will help you to efficiently manage software on your Ubuntu system. So let's dive in. There are four commonly used methods for managing packages in Ubuntu. Number one is apt, a advanced package tool. Number two is dpkg. Dpkg is a package manager for Debian based system. Number three is by adding the package repositories to our system. And number four is snap store. A snap store is a place where we can find any number of packages. And the first method is apt. After installing the Linux, you might want to install some packages like VLC. If you type the command apt install VLC, and if system throws an error unable to locate package VLC, to address this issue, you can type the command apt update. Well, the reason for this issue could be that package repository containing VLC is not enabled on your system. By default, not all repositories are enabled. It means that system couldn't find the VLC package in its available repositories. This command updates the package cache by retrieving the latest information from the enabled repositories. Now when you run apt install VLC, the system will have updated package cache and able to locate VLC package, and now you can see the VLC application is successfully installed. Let's try to run this, and now you can see the application is running fine. And now dpkg. Now let's try to install a Zoom application. If you type command apt install Zoom and the system throws an error unable to locate package Zoom, even after updating the repository, again we are facing the same error. Why? To install Zoom, you need to download the Zoom package from Zoom official website, because the installation method is different for some packages. You can't find the package in repository. On the download page, select the Linux type, drop down and choose Ubuntu and 64-bit. Navigate to the directory where the Zoom package is located. It's located on the downloads folder. So open terminal and go to downloads location, and I type the command sudo dpkg -i means install Zoom, that .deb file. So the dpkg throws the error while installing the Zoom package. For this issue, we need to install a required dependencies for the Zoom. If it tries to open the Zoom application, it won't open. To resolve this issue, run sudo apt -fix -broken install. Now this will fix all the dependencies of broken packages. This will resolve the issue caused by the package Zoom, and it will install the dependencies. Now you can see that Zoom application is successfully installed and the dependencies also getting installed. Now let's check the Zoom application. Now you can see that Zoom application is running fine. And next, to remove packages, type sudo apt remove VLC, so that will remove the VLC package. And if we use the apt purge VLC, this command not only removes the VLC package and removes the configuration files, It completely removes VLC and related files, including the user configurations. If you notice, the only 256 KB will be freed. While installing VLC, it took 300 plus MB of storage. In this case, the dependencies of VLC remains. If we need to remove the dependencies, we need to type the command apt get auto remove VLC, and now you can see that 254 MB disk space is freed by removing dependencies of VLC. If dependencies kept left over, these will use your disk space and may cause trouble in future. And the next thing is we need to update and upgrade our system. So apt update, this command updates the local package index on our system. It retrieves the latest information about available packages from the repositories specified in our package manager's configuration. By running apt update, you ensure that your system is aware of latest packages version and their availability. The command does not actually upgrade or install any packages, but fetches the latest package list from the repositories. And the next, apt upgrade. This command upgrades the installed packages on your system to their latest available versions. It installs any updates that are available for the packages that are already installed. When you run apt upgrade, the package manager compares the version of each installed packages with their latest version in the repositories and installs the command updated packages if any are found. This command also takes care of handling dependencies. And the next installation method is repository install. To install the Brave browser on Ubuntu, go to the official Brave website and click on download button. In this, under Ubuntu Debian/min section, follow the steps. Here we can see we need to install first the curl. This command installs the curl package, which is a command line tool used for making HTTP requests and downloading files. It requires to download the Brave browser keyring file in the next step. And the next command is this command use curl to download the Brave browser keyring file and saves it to the specified location in user share keyrings Brave browser archive keyring.jpg. The keyring file is used to authenticate and verify the integrity of Brave browser package. And the next command adds the Brave browser repository to your system's package source. It creates a new file, Brave browser releases.list, in the etc apt source list.d directory with the repository information. And the next we need to update our system by apt update. This will update the local package index to fetch latest package information of the Brave. And next, type apt install brave-browser. And finally, this command installs the Brave browser package using the apt package manager. The package manager resolves any dependencies and installs the Brave browser on your system. And now you can see that Brave application is successfully installed. When you add a repository to your system's package sources, you are essentially informing your package manager about any additional source of software packages. And the last is Snap Store. If you want to install Spotify, the official website doesn't have any option for the Linux. So we are using a Snap Store. Go to the Snap Store website. The Snap Store is application store maintained by Canonical and the company behind Ubuntu. It is centralized repositories of software applications packed as snaps. Snaps are containerized software packages that include all dependencies needed to run the application, ensuring consistency across different Linux distributions. So search for Spotify and click install button. Click on the button to initiate the installation process. Now you can see that sudo snap install a Spotify command over there. Copy that sudo snap install Spotify command and paste it in terminal. So this command will install the Spotify. By installing Spotify from the Snap Store, you benefit from the advantages of Snap packages such as easy installation, automatic updates, and sandboxing to enhance security and isolation. Now you can see that Spotify application is running. So to remove Snap, to remove this Snap application, Spotify, just type sudo snap remove Spotify for removing the Spotify package. Now you can see that Snap package Spotify has been removed. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye now.